Hello all, welcome to the channel. This is Astha, and guys, in this video we're going to discuss about a very good job opportunity. This opportunity is coming from DXC Technology, guys, and they are hiring for the position of Associate Professional Software Engineer. It's a really good opportunity, guys, so please do watch the video till the end. We're going to discuss everything about this job opportunity, their eligibility criteria, how you have to apply, what will be your job role, all the details I'm going to give you in this video. Okay, before that, it's a request, guys, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to the channel if you are looking for a job or job change. I used to make daily videos, upload daily regular job updates, latest recruitment drive updates, along with that interview question and answers and the interview experiences of the selected candidates. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now we'll discuss about the today's opportunity. So in this profile, the job location is Bangalore and they are hiring all the fresher candidates for the position of software engineer. Now we'll see about the job responsibilities. So in job responsibilities, you need to perform system modeling, simulations and analysis to provide appropriate software solution to meet the client business needs with high level of guidance and supervision. You need to provide input for documentation and assist in documentation of new or existing program to ensure information accessibility as required. You will be responsible for designing, developing, troubleshooting and analyzing software programs that operates and hardware system. Okay, so guys, this is the basic software engineer's role again, and if you want to know in detail, they have mentioned every point in detail. Just go ahead, I'll give you a link in the description box, read out the complete notification about your job role and the details. Now we'll see about the basic qualifications. So all bachelor's degree holders are eligible for this job opportunity, or equivalent combination of education and experience are eligible. Bachelor's degree in computer science, management information system or related field are preferred. So all the branches, all these streams are eligible, but if you belong to CS and IT branches, you will be preferred here. Okay. This is an entry-level positions, and you should have conceptual knowledge of theories, practices and procedures in software engineering or operating system programming acquired through a college or university degree. So they are not asking for any professional experience, but you should have theoretical knowledge of all your programming languages, your OOPS concepts, your basic programming skills should be strong. Okay, now we'll see some other qualifications as well. You should have basic analytical and problem solving skills for designing, creation and testing of softwares, work environment, good interpersonal skills, good communication skills. So these are the basic requirements, guys. I'm sure if you are eligible, they have not mentioned any percentage criteria here, and they are not mentioned any specific batch. So all the candidates who are freshers, I believe 2021, 2020, 2019 batches can apply for this opportunity. So go ahead, apply for the same. It's a full-time job opportunity and they have recently posted this job. So guys, apply as soon as possible. Their link that expire very soon. Okay, to apply, I'll give you a link in the description box. Just go ahead, click on the link. That link will divert you to the official career page of this company, and from there you just need to read out the complete notification according to your skills and eligibility. Apply. To apply, you need to click on apply now. They'll give you all three options. If you want, you can do autofill with your resume, or you apply manually also. You just need to fill your basic details and need to upload your resume. Don't forget to highlight all the skills that you have related to programming, OOPS concepts, like especially if you have done any projects or certification courses in programming languages, just highlight all those things so that your CV gets shortlisted here. Okay, all the best. They are open up to 6 lakhs per annum to the deserving candidates. They are offering package up to 6 lakhs per annum. So it's a really good opportunity if you're a fresher or looking for a job or job change. Go ahead, please do subscribe to the channel so that you'll get all the notifications related to latest recruitment drives from my side, and do share this video with as many people as you can in your WhatsApp groups, in your college groups, so that maximum people can get benefit from it. Okay, all the best. We'll meet in another video with a new update. Thank you.